season 7, right? Ravi Shankar, I am a good motivator. Thank you so much. I am not the good motivator. The motivator, the biggest motivator in the planet is the number in your bank account. How many of you agree with me? The biggest motivator of the entire world is the number in your bank account, right? That's the only certificate, you know. And I think one of my mentors says, like, you show me your bank account, I can be the astrologer for you. I can be the lovely Dale for you, right? Okay, right, great. So I am not able to hold my excitement. The amount of people who have actually raved up this entire Telegram is amazing. And guys, what a support, what a support. I saw each other supporting each other, commenting on each other. Great. How do you like this community? In a rank of 1 to 5, 5 is amazing. In a rank of 1 to 5, how do you like the community? Just with you all participated, you all created, you all managed it, you all did everything. My God, 6. Okay, great. No problem, no problem. Just listen, it's more than enough. Okay, it's more than enough. Great. So, my God, 10, 4, 5, 8. Great. Guys, this is the time. I told you, this is the graduation ceremony, and we're going to select some of the people who would be right now with us. We were going to invite him or her. So, I don't know who is the lucky one. I don't know who is the lucky one, but let me ask you this question. And the question is, I'm trying to create that kind of, you know, that criminal atmosphere in Indian Idol or all such kind of places where there is a, you know, the ceremony. Okay, guys, to come to this stage of season 7, I know the amount of struggle has happened. I know the amount of struggle you guys have been there. It's been non-stop 2 days. You had been there. You had been looking into all these things. And I think I want you to, you know, give a round of applause to the team which is actually working behind the scene. The team which comprises of a lot of people. We're going to unfold all of them. We're going to talk about them as well. Gopal himself would be, you know, talking about them. Can we have a gratitude for the team? The team which comprises the support team, management team, the ads team. There are a lot of things which goes behind the screen, and I think this is a great. So support team, this all the claps are for you. This support team, these claps are completely for you. This is amazing, and this is enormous amount of planning, strategy, positioning is required so that you get the desired result in less than 24 hours. You got the result in 24. Okay, hold on, guys, hold on. Stop. Oh my God, stop. Hold on. Okay, let's rev it to the next level. How long? Just type in the number of years. How long you have been waiting for today's happiness or today's thing? How long you have been waiting? Just type in the years. Aman says 3 years, 4, 3, 5. Ages, 10 years, 20 years, Kalyani, few months, 1 year, 3 years. Okay, not sure why I'm not able to hear the voice. 414.
How many of you here feel that binge?
Okay, Ananda Mahapatra 1565. Okay, these are the number of people are in your WhatsApp group. Are you sure? Are you sure these are the number of people who have actually shown the trust in you and have lodged themselves to be trained by you, to be mentored by you, to be guided by you? Okay, so give me one more chance. Okay, Newton says, okay, Newton, you are high. 1,317, 1,085, 3,181. Amit Kumar, Telang, 2,500. Oh my God, this is going incredible. Sir, please help us to join the still in. Okay, 9. Okay, good. Chandra Balakrishnan 1528. Guys, this is incredible. This is going beyond the expectations. I am like speechless, guys, how this is all happening. Okay, have not started the spread of my course. Okay, today is the time. 414 on Facebook group. Guys, change your name. Vivo1610. Do you want me to call you like that? I'm sure you don't want, right? Great. So I don't want to take more time, guys, because for me, this is a speechless moment because I haven't seen anyone crossing more than 200 in the last, I think probably the 6 seasons we did it. And now let me invite whom? You know what to do. Guys, the time is up. What to do? Genius and honest. Okay. Okay. Right. Great. So let's bring the MOM, the mentor of mentors, the founder of Binge Marketing, the lone pathfinder, and what? the man of the match for the entire binge marketing right now. Let's welcome from the red corner, Gopal Krishnan. Stay away and stay tuned. Gopal, this is incredible. We haven't done anything like that. I think we should start again, apply for
I'm
Guinness
seeing
Book of
some
World Records.
astonishing numbers, right? 200 was the highest. People when they
Oh, man.
put 1,000, like, I was astonished. Like, I was very surprised. We need to check this, Amit. Okay, we need to share, make them to share the screenshots and see whether
We need to have an
whatever they
authenticity.
have done is really true or not. Amazing. All right. So this session goes till 7:30 p.m. Okay. Please make sure that you are here till 7:30 p.m. guys. But let me ask you guys. Anyone here feel that for the first time you have become a marketer? Like Morpheus, right? Morpheus teaches Neo how to do Kung Fu, and he suddenly learns Kung Fu in, say, a second. Anyone here feel that today you have graduated into a marketer for the first time in your life? Type marketer in the comment section if you have graduated as marketers, right? You have graduated as an ASAP binge marketer today. In 2 days, not even 2 days, right? 1.5 days. You are all able to get leads, get sales just because of one simple thing.
I think this demands for a Guinness Book of World Record next time, I think. Okay, how many of you want, Gopal should apply for Guinness Book of World Record? Just write GBW, Guinness Book of World Record, GBW.
All right, okay. So this is amazing. Okay?
So I'll give it to you guys. Okay, over to Gopal.
Yeah. Anyone here felt that for the first time you have become creative as a marketer? You suddenly feel that I can become so much creative in marketing. So this skill, I didn't know that that was inside you. So what do you think that made you creative today? What made you into a creative marketer today and not any time before? What is that you think that made it? Okay. Templates, right? Okay. So this is the key here, right? The templates, right? The templates made you creative. Okay. The template from a mentor who has studied 12 years of marketing, 12 years of research, and he hands this template to you, and then you become creative. That is all it takes to become creative. Anyone here wants 30 more templates? 30 more templates for you to practice ASAP hour, like 10 more templates for you to practice Facebook ads. Where will you be? Okay, how creative you can become with those kind of templates. That is what I'm going to give you at the end of this program. Anyone here don't want to put a full stop to a relationship, and rather you would like to put a comma? You don't want to end a relationship today on this particular day. You want to put a comma, type comma in the comment section. If you don't want to put a full stop to this community, to this relationship that we have developed over the past 2 days. And let us see what really has taken, what has this done to you. Everyone wants to put a comma. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to do this. Okay. So here, so 720 people have logged onto the final session of this. Okay. So here I'm going to do a poll. Okay. Webinar marketing versus binge marketing. So I'm going to do a poll now, and I'm going to start this poll. Right. Okay. All right. Okay. So you can start doing this poll, guys, and I want you to understand how many people are actually like voting for binge marketing, and how many people are going to vote for webinar marketing. What do you think will be the result, guys? Guess. What do you think will be the result of this poll? How many of you think that webinar marketing will win? How many of you here feel that binge marketing will win? What is the percentage? What do you think will be the percentage? 90% binge, 95% binge, 100% lifelong binge marketer. A lot of people are saying 19% binge, 100%. Okay. So I'm going to start at 600, right? I'm going to like tell you exactly, like let us see who wins. Right? 93% binge. Okay. All right. Without further delay, I'm going to like stop at 600. I want every one of you to please vote here. Okay. Let us see. I got 4 clients from today's class. My buddy told. Okay. So you have got 4 sales. Many people have got your money back. Just with that template, you have got your money back. Amazing. All right. Okay. So I'm going to end this poll, and I'm going to show this to you guys. Okay. We are at 540. Okay. Okay. I'm going to end this poll, and I'm going to share my results. Okay. So this is the result, guys. 95% to binge, and webinar marketing is 5%. Why do you think people are voting for binge marketing? Why do you think people are voting for binge marketing? It works. It is very effective. Okay, you can actually launch with a simple link. And today, okay, I have my mentor. He's called Balachandar. He's a very famous editor, right? In his office there is a placard which says, today is the first day for the rest of your life. And I want to change that. I say, today is the first day of your life, the rest of your life, as a WhatsApp class teacher. Today is the first day for you to become a WhatsApp class teacher and change thousands of lives. Anyone here agree that we are doing courses not for making money, but because we want to save someone's lives, we want to change someone's attitude, we want to change people's problems. So that is why I'm saying today is your first day of the rest of your life as a WhatsApp class teacher. Okay, all right. Okay. I'm going to start this. Okay, I have earned payment for binge marketing next level program. So Bhavana has made that much money with this, right? Amazing. Okay? Can you all say congratulations to Bhavana? Okay, type congrats to Bhavana, and she is ready to make the payment for the program, right? Okay, congrats to Bhavana for making 5,970. Amazing. Okay? So these results, right? So this is the thing I wanted, right? I really wanted to give everything away so that you guys can get results and then get into my program. Amazing. Okay? So webinar marketing was binge marketing. Have you seen these ads, guys? Okay. Have you seen any of these ads from any of these experts? Vaibhav Sushinti, the very popular LinkedIn expert, Nishka Sharma, he's into e-com, and Dinas, who is into fitness. Have you seen these ads? People have been doing webinars. These people are webinar veterans. They are all switching to binge marketing because it's the ethical and it's the same way to do marketing. Seen Vaibhav. Okay, LinkedIn. Congrats, Bhavana. Amazing. Okay. So all webinar veterans are switching to binge marketing. So today you're going to learn how to run Facebook ads like these veterans. We work with Nishkas as an agency. We work with I work with Vaibhav as a consultant, and we work with I am going to reveal secrets we as an agency do. We have scaled so many people to 1,000 sales or more. So when I talk something here, I'm not talking something theory. We are working with 25 clients every single month. That means whatever I'm giving to you right now is tested and proven. Dinas, who came yesterday, right? Yesterday in the morning. Okay? So webinar veterans switch to binge marketing. Anyone here want gifts, right? Okay. So guaranteed gifts for people who stay till the end. Okay. If you stay till the end, anyone here want the mindset? Okay. Anyone here? I am seeing a lot of people, right, in the group, right? They are not having the right mindset, right? Anyone here agree that if you get mindset from the world's number one marketing mentor, a lot of you guys have a lot of problems in mindset. Do you want the exact mindset training that was passed on to my mentor from this book? Do you want the million rupee money map training that will help you to unblock all your money block with a single map without you undergoing law of attraction trainings? And you want my entire list of books that I have studied in the past 12 years, neatly sorted in 5 different ways of entrepreneurship? If you want all of these things, you need to stay till 7:30 p.m. Okay? At 7:30 p.m., I'm giving all these away to you. Okay? I think I'm spoiling you guys. Anyone here feel like Christmas? Type Christmas if you feel like Christmas, right? This person is giving me so much for just rupees 99. So this is my way of over delivering, guys. I really want you guys to change. Okay? With or without my next level program, I really want you to change. I want you to make an impact in this life. All right. All right. Okay. So what makes someone to buy from a single ad? What do you think? Okay, people, I'm going to tell you, people see a Facebook ad, they click on the Facebook ad, they come to InstaMojo. From a click to a checkout page, right? People don't see website, don't see landing pages. They just directly buy from a single ad. Why do you think someone will buy from a single Facebook ad? Why do you think? I want your answers. What will make someone to buy from a single Facebook ad? All right. Okay. A lot of people are okay. Nothing. No one has got it correct. Okay. I will tell you. So don't expect kindness. A lot of coaches, right? They expect kindness. My prospect should be kind enough for him to part with his money and come into my programs. Okay. I have so much value. I have certifications. Don't expect kindness. Don't expect kindness. You need to kindle their dreams and desires. If you're not able to kindle people's dreams and desires, it's not going to work. Your marketing is not going to work. Anyone here think that this is my original concept? This one? Don't expect kindness. Kindle their dreams and desires. Let me tell you. Okay, I stole this particular concept from a film called Saduranga Vettai. Okay, there is a film in Tamil called Saduranga Vettai. And in that particular film, right, this dialogue is there. Don't expect kindness from prospects. Kindle their dreams and desires. Anyone here have seen that movie Saduranga Vettai? I have recommended this to all my Hindi speaking friends, Telugu speaking friends, Tamil speaking friends, and everyone has seen this movie. And if you watch that movie, right, you'll get more ideas for your marketing than you did in this 2-day workshop. Anyone is going to go back and see that movie Saduranga Vettai? Okay, I will type that name. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. it's a great movie. Okay, it's a great movie, and you will be like surprised. Okay, it's called Saduranga Vettai. Okay? I will. Okay. I think it is getting remade in Hindi as well. Okay? It's called Saduranga Vettai in Tamil. Okay? So Saduranga Vettai. Okay? It is the film is called the Saduranga Vettai. Okay? And I will tell you one incident. Okay, one incident in that particular film, right? Okay. Anyone here wants gold at 50% off? Okay? If I give you gold at 50% the market rate, anyone here will buy gold from me? I will give you gold at 50% off. Anyone here will buy? Why? Okay? Yes, why not? Okay. I think it is getting remade in Hindi as well. Okay. It's called Saduranga Vettai in Tamil. Okay. So Saduranga Vettai. Okay. It is the film is called the Saduranga Vettai. Okay. And I will tell you one incident. Okay. One incident in that particular film, right? Okay. Anyone here wants gold at 50% off? Okay. If I give you gold at 50% the market rate, anyone here will buy gold from me? I will give you gold at 50% off. Anyone here will buy? Why? Okay. Yes, why not? Okay. So this is what that person did, right? He posted this poster across the city, and everyone queued up at the jewelry showroom at 5 a.m. in the morning. And what he did was he collected a token. for rupees 100. Okay, for every token, right? Calculate rupees 100, and then he made 3 lakhs in revenue with that particular token system, and then he ran away. Then he ran away, right? Ran away with the 3 lakhs in token amount. Okay, so the reason, okay, it is a scam. Okay, it is a scam. But if you watch the film, you will laugh like anything. Okay, Bluff Master and so, but are you able to see the moment I say 50% off, did it kindle your dreams and desires or not? Type kindle in the chat box. If you, the moment I said that, it kindled your dreams and desires, didn't it? Okay, that's a bad example. That's a bad scam. I agree. Okay, but your job is to do this, right? Your job is to kindle people's dreams and desires. Okay. Man, how many movies have you watched? Okay, countless. Okay, movies are my okay, special thing, right? I will tell all stories well because I'm a movie buff. Okay, all right. Kindle your dreams and desires. Okay, your job as a marketer is to kindle people's dreams and desires. So why do we believe in karma? Anyone here believes in this thing called karma? Why do we believe in karma, guys? Is anyone believe in karma here? So why do we believe in karma? And why don't we need to believe we have a mother? Why don't we need to believe that we have a mother? And why do we need to believe in karma? Okay, mother is a fact, right? Exactly, right? So you need to believe in karma because karma is in the unknown. I am sitting before here, right? I am sitting before you all here. It's a fact, right? So which is the fact here, guys? Is your features, benefits, your program details, facts, or the prospects, problems, and dreams? Type problems and dreams in the comment section if you agree that problems and dreams are facts. P and D. Okay, type P and D in the chat box. Okay, problems and dreams are the facts. The reason the solar triangle works so well is because we focus on the prospects, problems, and dreams. That is why the solar triangle works so well, right? Today you became a marketer because that follows the structure of the solar triangle. Humans need to believe when it is in the unknown, right? Karma, right? What is karma? What is this program? What is this NLP, law of attraction? Okay? Then they need to believe in that particular thing, right? Okay? People don't want all those things, right? They need to believe when it is in the unknown. Karma is in the unknown, whereas mother is a fact. That is why you don't need to convince anyone of this, right? Karma is always in the unknown and mother is a fact. And have you tried this, guys? Have you tried to make people believe in your programs, believe in your courses, believe in your coaching? Have it been very hard, guys? The amount of follow-up it takes, right? You just need to follow up with these people so many times for them to part their money. Have you done this? The sales cycle, the length of the sales cycle for you to make them believe. How hard is it? Okay? That is why the solar triangle works, right? It is hard to make people believe. Solutions and products are always in the unknown. People don't know what it is, right? Solutions and products are always in the unknown. That is why prospects ignore ads about products. Okay, this is another product in the market. That's it. Okay, they just skip it. Problems are facts. The fears and frustrations your prospects are going through every single day are truth. Your job as a Krishna is to expose those truths to themselves. Anyone here have been trying to wake up at 5 a.m. and have never been able to wake up at 5 a.m.? Now this person just says this, okay, and he has built a 25 lakh per month business. Still anyone wants to promote your product or service? Still anyone, right? Just wake up at 5 a.m. Procrastination killer workshop, rupees 99. 25 lakhs per month business. Do you want me to invite Ankit for this particular program? Okay, I'm going to invite Ankit very shortly, guys. Okay, and he's going to share his system, okay, of how he runs Facebook ads and how he optimizes ads. He has built a 25 lakh per month business with this. I'm already a student, right? Ankit has referred 400 people in this particular class. 400 people are coming to this particular class because of Ankit. Anyone here agree that, okay, Ankit is a true fan of mine? When I put why digital marketers hate me, I get a lot of hate. But anyone here agree that it is worth to have 1,000 haters if you can get one true fan like Ankit? Type hate in the comment section if you will take as much hate as possible, right? So he alone has referred 400 people to this class. Is it not worth it, guys, to get 1,000 haters? Because when you put yourself out there, you are going to get hate. Okay, I'm going to bring Ankit later on this class, right? Okay, he's a great guy, and he will make you to wake up at 5 a.m. on the 4th day. Anyone here want to wake up on the 4th day? Please take his class. I will be giving you the link later, tomorrow or the day after. But he can he can literally take this. Okay, he mentions every other class. Okay, all right. Okay. So now why this works? Okay, why this works? So he starts his ad with this: why self-help gurus hate me. Do you want to find out why self-help gurus hate Ankit? Anyone here want to find out why self-help gurus hate Ankit? What do we do here is we are moving people from the unaware, right? This is the this is from Eugene Squats. He written the Bible of marketing called Breakthrough Advertising. Eugene Squats 5 levels of awareness. 80% of your market is in the unaware stage. They don't even know that they have a problem. Anyone here thought this was a problem again at 5 a.m. before you saw this ad? Okay. The moment you see that ad angle that says, why self-help gurus hate me? What is going in your mind? Okay. What is the secret? Why is this self-help guru? Why is all self-help gurus hate this person? Then it begins a story. It creates an open loop. Then you come to the problem aware. Then you tell people that are you facing trouble in procrastination? Have you been struggling for years, not able to solve that? Then you make them aware of their problem, procrastination. Then you tell them the only thing you need to fix is you need to wake up at 5 a.m. If you wake up at 5 a.m., all your procrastination problems will go away. Then he tells the product, the WhatsApp class, rupees 99. Then he sells that program to the person. You move people from the unaware stage to the most aware stage with a single ad that starts with why self-help gurus hate me. This is how you get 80% more market share. Has this been a CFL moment, guys? This is what people don't know, right? They just keep on promoting solutions and products and they don't get any market share. This is how you get 80% more market share. Type 80% more if you understand that this is what it takes to get 80% more market share. No one does this in the market, right? They all just try to push NLP, getting things done, project management professional. They all just pitch the solutions. But this is where 80% more market share is available. So for you to do this, right, you need to get emotionally attached. You need to get emotionally attached. You only get hated when you have something worth being hated about. It is called envy, right? That is the reason, right? People do, why? How can this person do this instead of me, right? That is the reason people do it, right? Get emotionally attached. For you to become like Ankit, you need to do this. Flipkart's founder says this: people get emotionally attached to the product solution instead of the prospect's problems. So when you do this, right, when you focus on the prospect's problem, that is procrastination, getting up at 5 a.m., like spending a lot of money on self-help books and gurus and not getting anything, they're all frustrated.